to my channel. It's me, Andrea. Today we're going to be reviewing and unboxing the Hot Tools from T3. I got the 3 curling iron attachments to straightener and the blow dryer with the brush. Like, comment, and subscribe. Share, tell a friend, let everyone know if they want to buy this for someone for the upcoming holidays. Black Friday's coming up. You know they got the sales coming up. Go ahead and share and tell a friend, and stay tuned. This is the straightener. I got it at Costco. It was on sale for $99. Original price is $160, and it's the 1.5-inch straightener. Next, I have the Twirl Trio. It looks like this. I actually ordered this from the site, the T3 site, and this cost original price for this one is $325. I paid $250 for it because for your first purchase they do give you 50% off, and it's on the website for $274 if you don't use that 15% off. And when you open the top, looks like so in this trio we have the convertible base, and we have the clip barrels. We have the 1/4 and the 1/2 clip barrels, and then it also says that it comes with a traveling. Oh, yes. Comes with a traveling case with the T3 on there. It's really cute. Oh, it has a you can put the barrels inside the little pockets inside the case, and then it has drawstring. So that's cute. See if it heats up and straightens. It heats up and curls this hair like it's supposed to. Next up, we have the Featherweight Luxe blow dryer and brush. So when you open the box, ooh, looks like this. The brush, I don't really like it. I don't know if you could see in the inside. It looks like a bottle cleaner, one of those cheap bottle cleaners that you use for the babies. Yeah, so I probably would not be using that. And then it just has the blow dryer. Blow dryer looks like this. Really nice, really sleek. So the blow dryer has 3 heat settings right here, and then it has the slow and the fast, and then it also has the cool button as well on there. So let's give this a try. The cord, it has the Velcro, so you could hold the cord together, which is really nice and inventive. My lights got dimmed, so hope it won't blow a fuse. But yeah, it feels like it gets pretty hot. And it also gets cold, so the straightener also comes with the Velcro around the cord, and this does shut off after 1 hour, so that's really good because I'll be forgetting to unplug my tools sometimes, and I'm not trying to burn down the house. So it looks like this, very sleek, clean, and white. So when you turn it on, I don't know if you can see the lights lighting up. As you can see, the lights stop lighting up and they stay lit when it's heated up. It took about 60 seconds and I'm guessing it's hot, so let's see if it will straighten. It's called the single pass. It's called the single pass. Let's see if we could loosen the single pass. I got the rat tooth comb to see if it works better with the rat tooth comb. Ooh, how straight it got. Okay, it definitely works better with the rat tooth comb. If you have hair like mine or similar to mine, definitely straighten your hair with a rat tooth comb. Do another pass. Looks pretty good. Pretty much heats it. All right, and it looks pretty good. That's the T3 flat iron, the one pass, the single pass. I'm saying one pass, it's the single pass. On to the twirl trio, and of course around the cord it has the T3, the Velcro. Very nice, very nice. So this is what the base looks like, the convertible base. And it has the 3 dots. When you turn it on, it lights up. When it's hot and ready, it just stays lit up. It has the lock. You have to turn this when you put the barrel in, and that tells you when it's locked. So I have the 1 inch, and you have to match up the holes before you put them in. Push it down, then you turn the thing, the lock, to lock, like that. And we have the full curling iron. I would not change the barrel when it's plugged up or when it's on. That's just me. I'm a little scary. I'm not trying to get electrocuted. So it was unplugged and I put the barrel in and then I just plugged it up, and now I'm going to turn it on. And as you can see, the lights are lighting up. It is getting hot. So we're going to wait for that. Still really good size too. Really good length. And the straightener is still hot. Like, it's pretty hot. I have to be careful with that because it doesn't cool down fast. After the 60 seconds, it is all lit up, so it's ready for it to curl. There's no rubber thingy right here, no guard, but it's not hot. None of this is hot right here, so that's good. All right, let's get ready to curl. Smoke, it gets really hot, y'all. My smoke detector probably gonna go off. Pretty. I want to see if it will curl on the non-straighten piece. Oh yeah, look. It's getting dirty already. So you definitely don't have to be washing these. Oh, girls. Now we are going to change the barrel. We're going to unlock it. I'm using this washcloth because this thing is hot. And I'm going to clean the barrel off. Okay. Try not to burn yourself. Ooh, okay. Got it off. Not too bad. We're going to go on to the 1/4, I think. Put that on in there. Lock it. Turn it on. And let's wait our 60 seconds. Get ready to section out the hair I want to use. I hear a kid in the background, and that's just my son. If y'all got boys, y'all know he's being a little rowdy. Okay, so again, it's not hot right here. It's all lit up to let you know that it is ready to use. Now, this hair might have like could be the reason why it's getting a little dirty. It could be melting the hair. That's not the curling iron's fault. Okay, so didn't curl as good as the first one did, so maybe I should hold it in place a little longer. There we go. It's pretty. It's really pretty. All right, here we go. The second one. I'm going to turn it off. Oh, this is when this light lights up, it gets hotter. There. And then turns off. So now we're going to unlock it and try to take this out. Normally, I'll just let it sit there because I'm not trying to mess with these barrels while these things are still hot and burn myself. But for the sake of the video, I'm taking them out. Okay. And we are with the last one, the fat one. Match the holes up. I don't know. There we go. And then we're going to lock it in place. There we go. This is what the fattest barrel looks like. This is going to be my favorite one because I like me a big curl. Going to turn it on. It's getting hot. The straightener is still hot. There's no curling your hair or straightening your hair and then getting ready to pack and throw it in your bag real quick. But the case that it comes with, the twirl comes with, that's heat resistant. So you can just throw it in there. But I want to be doing it. That's just me. Got my little piece section out. Wait for it to heat up. go. So excuse me. Ooh, look how pretty. This one, I already knew that this one was gonna be my favorite. I already knew because I like me a voluptuous curl girl. That's my thing. Give me some big curls.
Jump to put jeans on, baby, you don't feel my pain. Please don't give me hype. Write my name in ice. Can't argue with these lazy bitches, I just raise my price. I'm a boss, I'm a leader. I pull up in my two-seater, and my mama was a savage. Pick up, got this shit from Tina, I'm a savage. Yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Sassy, nasty. Acting stupid.
Look how pretty. I am like loving these.
Like Beyonce, like me. He want a bitch like the stallion with the knees. He be like, damn, how that thing moving in the jeans. Even B4L couldn't do it like me, like me. I got this party ready just for you. But I hope you don't catch me messing around with you. Looking to myself in the mirror like, bitch, you my boo. Oh, I need a mop to clean the floors, too much drip. Oh, I keep it not, I keep it real. Oh, let's play a game. Simon says I'm still a bitch. I'm still a bitch. I'm a savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet.
Here, look at this curl. Okay, so outside, I need to hurry up and open up. I'm ready to go somewhere. This is nice. And this is not hot at all. So I feel comfortable putting my hand right there.
All this money in a room, think some scammers in here. I'm coming straight up like that third. Whip the whip like I stirred it. Wood grain, we swerving, keeping his mind all on these curves. Poop fly like a bird, cold on him like birds. Always keeping word, no I don't do crosswords. Tell you in that writing like them hot girls in here.
Can you imagine like when I pin curl it? First time I saw these, it was on Aaliyah's face page, channel, on her channel. She had it and I was like, what is that? And I looked at it and I was like, girl, these prices. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get one, but they went on sale and I was able to get all of them. I was able to get everything. Everything's been going on sale. Outside's been locked up. And I've been shopping, online shopping. Girl, my bank account. But it was fun.
Want no smoke with me? Then turn this motherfucker up 800 degrees. Want no smoke with me? Turn this motherfucker up 800 degrees. Whole team eat chefs cause she's a treat. She's so bougie, bon appetit. I'm a savage, attitude nasty. Talk big shit, but my bank account match it. Hood, but I'm classy. Rich, but I'm ratchet. Haters kept my name in their mouth, now they gagging. Bougie. He say the way that thing move is a movie. Told that boy we gotta keep it lowly, me the room key. I done bled the block and now it's hot, bitch, I'm Gucci. I'm mood and I'm moody. I'm a savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Sassy, moody, hey, yeah. Acting stupid, what's happening? What's happening? Bitch, I'm a your ass, baby, it's your chance. I say left cheek, right cheek, drop it low, then swing. Texas up in this thing, put you up on this game. I be parking my frame, gang, 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 gang. If you don't jump to put jeans on, baby, you don't feel my pain. Please don't give me hype, write my name in ice. Can't argue with these lazy bitches, I just raise my price. I'm a boss, I'm a leader, I pull up in my two-seater, and my mama was a savage. Pick up, got this shit from Tina, I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet, yeah. Sassy, goofy, nasty, yeah. Acting stupid, what's happening? What's happening? Bitch, I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet, yeah. Sassy, goofy, nasty, yeah. Acting stupid, what's happening? Bitch, what's happening? Like Beyonce, like me. He want a bitch like the stallion with the knees. He be like, damn, how that thing moving in the jeans. Even B4L couldn't do it like me, like me. I got this party ready just for you. But I hope you don't catch me messing around with you. Looking to myself in the mirror like, bitch, you my boo. Shit, oh, I need a mop to clean the floors too much.
This is nice. Like, these curling irons are nice. I'm gonna turn it off. There we go. They're so nice. Let's see the brush. Well, my opinion so far is that I love them. They are definitely worth the money. They're worth the hype. I say go out and get one. You got the extra coins and working, got that unemployment, that little relief fund check. Pick you up one. I say it's definitely worth it. Okay guys, you made it to the end of the video. Thumbs up, or you could thumbs down it if you didn't like it. It's cool. Let me know. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you're gonna pick one up. Let me know if you're interested. Let me know what you want to see. Let me know. Talk to you guys. Remember, be blessed, be beautiful, be bold, and be you. Until next time. It won't be another year and a half. I promise. It's gonna be like next week, tomorrow, next week. Probably next month, October. I'll see y'all in October. Okay?